Hello and welcome to my new Painting Yourself channel, where I'm going to guide you through every step involved with painting your home. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you think this is for you, as it's going to really support my channel, and that way you can follow me and keep up to date on new videos dropping. But before you get any paint on today, I want to show you how to sheet up a house with empty rooms. Great. Well, let's go about our droppies and let's get cracking. Hey guys, in today's show I'm taking you inside the home where all the furniture has been moved out for painting. This will make the job so much easier without having anything to paint around. There's so much room now, this is going to be great. If you're looking to use some floor coverings from around the home, you could use an old bed sheet, a blanket, or an old tarp, which is better than nothing. In this video, I'll be using a mix of drop sheets, from hallway runners to big rectangular sheets which will cover large rooms. Anyway, moving right along. If you have nothing suitable at home and you're a bit short on cash, maybe then you could ask around and borrow a drop sheet from a friend or a family member. When it's time to paint, you need to remember to keep your paint over your drop sheet. When you reach the end of your sheet, make sure you drag it along with you each time you start a new section, because paint has an annoying habit of finding its way onto the floor when you step past your sheet. If you manage to spill a load of paint like this, you're going to have to call a carpet cleaner right away. They should fix the problem without too much trouble. If you try to clean up this much paint yourself with a rag, you're just going to end up rubbing the paint into the carpet and totally ruining the floor for good. Or if it's your own home and you're not too fussy, you could place a nice pot plant over the paint splatter. Yeah, that'll work too. If you're painting a ceiling, you'll need to cover up a good amount of the floor before you begin painting, because when you start cutting in with your brush and that big heavy roller full of paint, you'll be glad that you spent the time to cover up properly. Because more than likely there will be some roller spray and maybe a drip or two, so it's easy to get carried away with rolling and roll past the sheet, resulting in more paint on the carpet to clean up. Oh, lucky! Sometimes we can find that perfect sheet that will fit the room and cover the entire floor. There's even enough room in here to swing a small cow. How did he get in here? With bigger rooms, I like to start with the smaller hallway runners, making sure you kick the edges of the sheet hard up against the wall. Then lay out the large rectangular sheets, which will cover most of the room. This way, the larger, heavier sheets will overlap the smaller ones, giving you more floor protection, and you won't accidentally kick over any of the sheets so easily either. Working over polished floorboards or tiled floors can be tricky. If you find that your sheets are sliding around too much, it's a good idea to grab some tape and stick them down to the floor. This will stop them from sliding around so you don't end up hurting yourself. Here's another pro tip. If you have a door that swings inwards, make sure the large sheet only covers this area. If the sheets are doubled up, you may jam the door, or you'll just annoyingly drag your sheets away. In any of these small spaces where the sheets don't quite reach, I find that an old bath towel is the perfect shape to fill in these spots. Just make sure you tuck it in underneath the bigger sheet so you don't kick it around by accident. Also, watch out you don't trip. Too late. Once the painting is complete, your sheets will no doubt be covered in dust and rubbish. Start lifting the sheets from the corners and drag to the middle. This will keep most of the dust from spilling out, so you can wrap up these sheets and safely carry them outside to shake out. Thanks for watching, guys. If you really enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up as it really supports my channel. I'm going to be super busy making more content for you to enjoy and to learn from. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you in my next video. Catch you later.